Do you have an emergency fund? Well, if you don't, I'm creating this video to encourage and motivate someone to start saving for emergencies if they're not. And this is a 52-week savings challenge, and we are putting away small amounts of money. If we take small amounts of money, every time we get some money, put away to the side and save it, it adds up over time. So stay tuned for this great tip. This will help you get your emergency fund started. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025. Let's save more money in 2025, and we'd be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel where you'll get great value. Click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that could use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I am happy for you all that are saving for emergencies. If you wasn't saving, you are going to be so glad once you get your emergency fund. And not only that, your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. We want to have that too, in case something like this happens. Okay? We want to have money to tap into. We don't want to be in this situation when an emergency comes. Okay? All right. So I have 7 savings challenges, and today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 2, which I do on Tuesdays. And what you need for this particular savings challenge, this one is cash stuffing envelopes. Okay? And what we're doing, we're stuffing 60 envelopes. Now, I could have got more, but I didn't think this container would hold more. You need a container to hold the envelopes in. And I just thought I would go with 60 and to start off something small. Okay, now once you stuff all 60, then you can add more. So you're going to need 60 envelopes. And here I have 60 envelopes. These here are stuffed and these are unstuffed. Okay? Yeah. And you're going to need $5 bills. Okay? So what we're doing is we're stuffing these envelopes every Tuesday with a $5 bill. Now, if you can't do it every week, do it every 2 weeks, every month. Do what you can. Do what you can, how you can, and when you can. Don't put yourself in any bind. I understand, because, $5 may not seem like a lot of money, but depending on someone's income, if they're in this situation here, $5 can seem like $100, okay? So, like I said, do what you can when you can. Don't put yourself in any bind. Now, I thought this would be a great savings challenge because, like I said, it's working with small amounts of money for someone that is in this situation or this situation. Okay? Surely, when you get paid, however you get paid, if you work a 9 to 5, you have side hustles, you're an entrepreneur, you have this, you should be able to put away $5. Now, some people probably can do more. If you can do more, do more. Okay? But the goal is to stuff 60 envelopes with $5 bills, and when they're all stuffed, it will equal $300. Now, we know we need $1,000 for our emergency fund, and that $300 can go towards your $1,000. So once you stuff all 60, then you can add some more, and then till you get your 1,000. Okay. And like I said, also we want to say 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. Sit down and calculate what your monthly expenses are for the month. Multiplying that times 3 or 6, and that will let you know how much you need to save. We want to be ready and have money to tap into, because if someone doesn't have money to tap into, this is what they'll do. Go out and get one of these, or one of these, or one of these. We don't want to do that. We want to have the money, okay? Or either they'll do something like this. We don't want to do this either, okay? All right. And another thing that can help you, if you can try to do whatever you can to pay this off. Now, I can't tell you what to do. These are just ideas and suggestions. If you have this, and you're living in this situation and this situation, try to find something that is affordable. It's nothing worse than being in those situations. Trust me, I know. I've been there. Been there, done that. Not doing that again. No. Once I paid off this, and this, I learned my lesson. No more this. Because this is not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest. It keeps us from being financially free. Okay? And we want to be financially free also. We don't want to just save for emergency. We want to invest money. We want to multiply money. Okay? All right. And if we go to the store and buy food and meal prep, that can help us save money instead of eating out all the time. And instead of going to this place all the time. Buying 1 cup of coffee will be this. Or maybe a little more than this. Yeah, so yeah, we want to don't do that either. And we want to make sure we don't be in this situation. That's why we want to save for an emergency. Can you read that? Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how much we have saved since the beginning of January 2025. Okay? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. And we're going to stuff this one today, which gives us a total of $90. Wow, almost 100. Yeah. See that? $90. Two more stuffings, and it'll be $100. Isn't that awesome? Yeah. So then we'll only need to stuff $200 worth more. Yeah. I think I said that right. But anyway, let me go ahead and record this. Okay. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, and like I said, this is a 52-week savings challenge, and we're on week number 18. I think Sunday, when I did the savings challenge, I said week 17. No, we're on week 18. Okay, so this is called our cash. No, today is the 29th. The reason I said that because I missed yesterday's video, and I see it's empty here. Cash stuffing envelopes. We added $5, and the total now is $90. Wow. And so we need just 34 more weeks. Yeah, just 34. That'll be at the end of this year. Yeah. So I'm trying to encourage and motivate you all to start saving if you're not. Drop me a comment and let me know if you're doing this particular savings challenge or if you're doing any of the other savings challenges, and let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah. Because I'm happy. Okay, so you all have a safe, wonderful day and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.